Unfortunately, the need for good legal representation doesn't always stop when your New Jersey divorce is final. People don't always do what they agree to do, whether it's falling behind on alimony or child support, not following the agreed upon custody and parenting time plan, failing to put a house up for sale, or any number of other things that were ordered. Problems sometimes develop, and you may need a good New Jersey divorce law firm to help you address those problems. The person who's fallen behind on his or her child support obligation may not have had a real choice. Circumstances may have changed due to the loss of a job or illness, among other things. In New Jersey, changed circumstance is a recognized basis to ask the court for relief. But exactly what does that mean? What evidence do you have to show? And how likely is it that the court will grant your application? These are all questions that a good New Jersey divorce law firm can help you with. When there are young children at the time of the divorce, the parties may not be able to make some decisions until many years later. The most common one is college. What school is the child going to go to, and who's going to pay for it? Unlike some other states, the law in New Jersey is that financially capable parents are obligated to contribute to the higher education of their children if those children are qualified students. But what happens if the child doesn't get along with one of the parents and refuses to have any kind of a relationship with that parent? Does that eliminate that parent's responsibility to pay any of the child's college education costs? The answer in New Jersey is, it depends. Whatever the post-divorce issue, the answers frequently are not simple. And trying to resolve those issues requires not only a knowledge of New Jersey divorce law, but also, more often than not, an ability to think outside the box and come up with practical solutions. At Salvaggio Law Group, New Jersey Family Law is all we do. If you've got a post-divorce issue, don't hesitate to contact us to schedule a personal and confidential assessment. We really are here to help.